Alright, welcome back to Smoke Break Hacking. So let's say we just got into a system. We have, some type of interpreter access on it. We got there any way possible while we got on that. Maybe MS-17, maybe we fished them or whatever else and they opened up an interpreter file. Whatever we're able to do, we got an interpreter on there. Let's go ahead and add a user to the administrator field and turn on remote desktop on that system. So even if remote desktop was off, we can get that running. So we're going to type in run git GUI, hit enter, and it's going to tell us, hey, we need to enable RDP only, the password of the user to add, and the username of the user to add. Let's go ahead and run git GUI, tac E, we're going to enable RDP, tac U, right, what is the username? We'll say the username is pawn, and then tac P was the password. Now the password does have to align with the password policy that is on that system already. So if there's like a domain password policy, it does have to be allowed to be that password. So we'll do something like this: my password 1. All right, that should be allowed. We'll enter, and as you can see, it's putting pawn into the remote desktop users, and then we're adding the user pawn to local group administrators. Cool. Let's go ahead and try to do that now. We do an R desktop for the username of pawn, right? PWNED, the password of 10.00 or IP address 10.00.11, and then we'll do a password of my password 1. Yes. And username and password is incorrect, really. PWNED, is that what I put up here? Oh, I spelled password incorrectly. My PASSW0RD1. There we go. And as we can see, we are now on the system as pawned. Okay. So that allows us to run git GUI, and we have now created a GUI interface with Windows and added a user to the remote desktop users and also administrator. So let's go ahead and see, make sure that actually worked. Let's go ahead and run a command prompt, and we'll do a who am I. And as we see, we are pawned. Let's do a who am I /priv. And as you see, we got some privileges in here. Okay, nothing really too big of a deal, but we see that we are pawned. Okay, awesome. So we have accomplished that attack. And yeah, join us for the next one for Smoke Break Hacks.